Hey everyone, please subscribe this WikiTech channel and tap on the bell icon to receive the further notifications.
What's up, my friends? This is TSM from Tech. Hey guys, finally I just finished the unboxing of this OnePlus Nord. So the initial impression was very good. So guys, I just want to clear you some doubts because we have seen that Gary rig. So in the testing, the mobile phone was break out easily. But for that, I just want to let you know, we have seen that the side bezels of the chassis, this was made up of plastic. It's not the metallic frame. Whereas at the front side and the back side, they added the Corning glass pipe protection, but whereas the chassis they compromise to save some of amount OnePlus team. So that's why they added here the plastic frame. But even though it's a plastic frame also, I never feel when I hold the mobile phone tightly in my hand also, I never feel the sounds anything like cracking sounds. There was not loose contact, anything like that. It was very good and feeling very solid when I hold this mobile phone in my hand. And also I feel very comfortable when I'm feeling like I have using the mobile phone like 5.5 inches like that, but you know that it comes with 6.4 inches. But even though it was very solid in your hand, so no need to worry about the plastic frame. And also in the box the company provided this TPU case for this OnePlus Nord. But guys, keep in mind, this case quality was not best in class, but if you apply this case, it fit very perfectly to your OnePlus Nord. But anyhow, I would recommend you for extra safety protection, better to go and purchase another guard which was suitable for your OnePlus Nord. But anyhow guys, I just want to let you know, whereas at the bottom side, we have know that it comes with a single speaker. The speaker is not a stereo speaker, it's just a monochrome speaker, just keeping that in mind. So well, finally guys, here is the OnePlus Nord. So it's the sealed box. So at the back side, this saying that we have to open this by like this. So I was just swiping it down, so it makes me to tear this peel off just like this. So well, finally here is the OnePlus Nord. So guys, we have seen the front side Nord. So Nord means we have to be going in the right direction. So like that. The back side on the box, they mention some specifications. We have seen that they're saying that it comes with the blue marble color and its price is around 27,999 rupees, just 1 rupee less than 28,000 rupees. So on the other hand side, we have seen that there's the logo of the OnePlus Nord. That's fantastic. And wow, around this area they're saying that OnePlus Nord, so nothing special on this. The box feels a little bit of heavyweight, but anyhow, let's get open. So now it's time to open this box just like this. Wow, at the beginning we have seen that the mobile phone itself at the starting, here is the OnePlus Nord. Oh my god, the initial impression, the mobile phone feels very slim and also the weight management was also very good. But anyhow, let's put aside and let's see what's the stuff inside this box they added. So at the beginning, here is the card box. Let it put aside, and here is one of the card box. So that's it. And also like that, it's a regular it's data cable, red color, which comes with white and red combination, type C. So well, here is the charger from the OnePlus Nord. So it feels a little bit of heavyweight, but it's the wrap charger. It supports 30 watts. So well, it's the card box. It looks decent. So let's see what's the stuff they're given. Oh, it's just like a welcome letter. So when we open, dear friends, today when a new phone. So it's saying there's some like this, something story about this OnePlus Nord. So that's it, guys. And also, I was very curious to check what's the stuff. We have completely opened this card box. So here is the stuff. So it's the TPU case. I will talk it later. Let us put it aside just like this. And here is the SIM rejector pin, guys. At the downside, here is the SIM rejector pin. So finally, they have given some kind of semester materials. So here is the sticker from the OnePlus Nord. So the sticker looks like this. And here is the quick start guide. And also safety instruction, like a safety information from the brand OnePlus. So, and also here is the Red Club membership. So after you can join with a Red Cable membership also. So finally, that's the good thing. They added the SAR values. So whereas from India, the head SAR value is 1.08 watt per kg. So like that, the body SAR value is 0.78 watt per kg. That's the good stuff. They added the SAR values. We need to appreciate for that. So let's all these semester materials put it aside. So well, here is the TPU case, which comes inside the box of the OnePlus Nord. But I feel the quality was not good. It looks very slim, so I think it's better to go for the external protection by adding another case and to protect your device. So let's take the mobile and put it on the case and let's check out how best the mobile can fit into the mobile phone. So just trying to use a little bit of pressure. So okay, that's great guys. I mean the case was fitted very perfectly to the mobile phone. Okay, the downside, it was good. They added the extra protection for the USB Type-C for uncertain raindrops. It will protect this USB Type-C just like this. You can close it also, the lid. And also the back side, okay, the design was very good. You have seen this design from the OnePlus. So it was a sticker over here. Let me peel it off. So overall, after applying the case also, I feel somewhat more grippy while holding this mobile phone. Without case also, the mobile phone looks very comfortable in hand. But the case is like an extra protection from the corners. The case was good. So the mobile phone looks like this when you apply the case. So here is the OnePlus traditional red combination with white data cable, so which will devise a OnePlus Nord. So the quality of this data cable looks very nice quality they maintain, and also guys it comes with USB Type-C port. So here is the wrap charger from the OnePlus. They mentioned here it can go the output up to 5 volts into 6 amperes, which means the output voltage is around 30 watts to charge this OnePlus Nord device. So at the beginning side, this way Nord bottom, we have seen that to maximize the performance of the in-display fingerprint sensor, they're recommending us to use the screen guards which comes from the OnePlus Nord official partners. So well, finally guys, here is the beautiful stylish design from the OnePlus Nord. Whereas guys, this was available in 2 colors. I have purchased this stylish marble blue, which looks very good, and I feel very comfortable when I hold this mobile phone in my hand. It feels very weightless. I like the weight department in this mobile phone. The weight management was very good in this mobile phone, and also guys, it comes with the pre-applied screen guard. If you wish, you can remove it and you can buy the additional protection. The back side, I was a very big fan of this marble blue color, so I was going to remove this sticker. So wow, here is the OnePlus Nord, very stylish and very slim in your hands. So overall, the first impression, I was very attracted with this mobile phone. The colors was very nice. I like this marble color, told it already. So anyhow, let's look the physical appearance of this mobile phone. So whereas guys, the front side comes with dual punch hole, whereas it comes with 6.44 inches fluid AMOLED display. I like it very much. Usually the fluid AMOLED display was very good, and at a resolution of 1080 into 2400 pixels at 408 ppi pixel per inch. At the front and the back side, it was protected with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. And also the interesting thing here is where it comes with AMOLED screen along with 90 Hz screen refresh rate. That's the very good thing. So the display supports HDR10+. So whereas if you look at the right side, they added the power button and also alert slider for silent, vibration and ring mode. So on the left hand side, they added the volume rockers. If you look at the bottom of the mobile phone, they added the single speaker. It's the monochrome speaker along with the Type-C port, and also they added the primary microphone, and also here is the SIM card tray. Whereas the top side comes with secondary noise cancellation microphone. Now it's time to boot up the device just like this. So finally the OnePlus logo was appear, and also at the bottom side they're saying that powered by Android. Here is the general style of OnePlus. Anyhow guys, I will boot the device and I will see you in the home screen. So my dear friends, finally I have just finished the setup of this device. So I like that it was very well. I mean the first impression was very nice. So anyhow, if you're talking about the bloatware, thanks to the OnePlus, because they've not even added any banned apps which was done by Indian government. So usual there was the bloatware was very little bit of bloatware. We have seen that Amazon shopping app was available here, Facebook stuff, and like that they added the Prime Music of Amazon. So and finally they added the YouTube Music. So that's it guys, there was nothing much bloatware. Let's go to the settings and let's check some more brief details about this device. In about, we have seen that it was comes with Android. So guys, the company promises that we will get the next update Android 11 and even the Android 12 also. We are eligible to get this OnePlus Nord. So the gestures was very nice. I like the gestures working in this mobile phone especially. So the security patch level is right now it was going with June 1st. So maybe hope soon, very soon we will get the updates very soon. So this variant is guys, I just want to check the storage department. It's 8GB with 128GB internal storage. So in 128GB internal storage, 23.61GB was used by the system. So usually we get the stuff around 103 to 104GB like that. So you have seen at the bottom they're saying that the system reserve was 20GB. So let's going back. And also guys, the another highlight thing here is in the display. We have seen that in advanced option the refresh rate by default It was 60 Hz and I was 16 to 90 Hz. So if we go to the 90 Hz, it was a very smooth experience. If you use the UI, was very smooth while it was scrolling to anything stuff like that. So the 90 Hz was very good with the combination of MO LED. So the first impression, as I told, I like the display quality was very good. So some people was complaining about tint issue, but I haven't found anything like that. So, and also guys, this one able to support the dual band Wi-Fi. I have connected to the 5 GHz band. So the display looks very good. Here is the 4K footage. So I like the panel, I mean AMOLED screen. We know that the colors was very accurate, the punchy colors. So I like the display in this mobile phone along with the 90 Hz screen refresh rate. So anyhow, that's the initial impression guys about the display. So like that, as we discussed earlier, the gestures in this mobile phone works pretty well. So I was very impressed with the gestures, and the response of the screen also very nice. I just want to let you know guys, I just get an update from the OnePlus Nord. So you can see they have sent the oxygen update for this mobile phone, but anyhow, I will do the update later and I will just let you know my. So let's take a look at the camera department. So guys, I have already given all the permission in the camera department. It's the photo mode and video mode and also slow motion mode and also panorama and time-lapse mode they have added. So anyhow, and portrait mode also was enabled, nightscape, and also they added the pro mode. You know that in pro mode we can take the advantages of the camera. So like that, first I want to check with this one photo mode. In photo mode we have the digital zoom. It's not the optical zoom. We can do up to 10x digital zoom, but anyhow, let me take some sample pictures. So I just want to take this ball. So just focusing on that area and I was just tapping just like this. Got it. Just give the permissions, and so here is the photo. The quality of the primary lens with the 48 megapixel looks very nice and neat. So let me take one more shot. So just going to tap it to focus and just take it. The image connection was very good. I mean, it was capturing the pics very fast and accurate. So anyhow, let's check the front camera on this mobile phone. Now we're just shifting to front. Okay, the front cam also looks not bad. It's good. So it was default. It was photo. Okay, I'll shift to photo. Let's take the pics. That's good. One portrait shot. Okay, the camera was quite impressive and fast. Okay, the bokeh shot, you can see the background blur detection was very good, so it can detect everything, the background and the subject. So it's the portrait shot I was taken, and here is the normal mode with the front cam. But anyhow, I will add some pics, then you guys get an idea.
So well, here is the picture which was captured with the Versa camera with 12 megapixels. So like the display was also taken with the 12 megapixel, but it was taken with indoor lighting condition. This was taken with the front cam, so you guys can check out the portrait mode. And here is also one more pic which was taken with front cam with the general without bokeh. So here is the picture of the OnePlus which was taken with the backside in indoor lighting condition. This picture was taken with outdoor lighting condition, but the climate was cloudy. So this is also one of the picture which was taken with artificial lighting condition at indoor lightings. So here is the one more picture which was taken with outdoor lighting condition with backside camera. So this picture was taken with indoor lighting condition with front cam. This was also taken with front cam in indoor lighting condition, but it is ultra wide.
The company skipped by adding this 3.5mm on a jack port to save the money. We can save like that. And also some people was complaining in the internet there was a black crush or even the blue tint on the display. But for me, I do not found anything right now. I mean, I have been using this mobile phone just for 2 hours onwards. I have just seen the settings. I mean, the brightness level I put around 20% to 0%. People was complaining we have seen that green tint or even the black crush. But still now, I haven't found anything like that, but I will definitely give you an update about the display. So guys, if you have already purchased this OnePlus Nord, I mean if you already do the pre-order in Amazon, so my suggestion, just go for it. I mean, no need to worry about this plastic frame like this. Just I want to let you know, whereas the buttons they added here, these buttons was the metallic buttons, but whereas the frame is the plastic, but the buttons was from the metallic. Well guys, here is the audio track from NCS, so you guys can check out the audio from this mobile phone. So well, even though it comes with a single speaker, it's the monochrome. The speaker's volume from the speaker was pretty loud and clear. So the first impression of the speaker was very good. So no issues with the speaker department. So well, finally guys, I was going to use this mobile for a couple of days and I will definitely let you know my complete opinion about this mobile one. But whereas the initial impression, I feel very good and solid and comfortable when we hold this mobile phone in our hand. So that's it. So no more disappointing except that plastic frame. But even this plastic also, I never feel anything like loose contacts when we apply the little pressure. So that's it in this video guys. I hope I have provided something information which was useful for you. If you have any kind of specific questions about this OnePlus Nord, just let me know in the comment section. I was very happy to assist you. Thank you so much guys for spending your valuable time with me. If you don't mind, please subscribe the channel to receive the further notification. I see you very soon. Once again, thank you for your love, support and commitment. Take care.